Der Tanker muss nach vorne gehen.
Now, so, but never go silent. This is wrong. Okay? Go out, but not go silent. What I mean go out is go
Wenn out meint er nach vorne,
outside.
und nicht nach Seite.
Okay? Because you treat yourself like a dog.
Er betrachtet euch selbst wie eine
Okay?
Tür.
This is very important. Many people don't understand. So that was also why we say this is the indoor area.
Dann sprechen wir auch von dem inneren Bereich.
Right? This is the outdoor
Innerhalb
area.
der Tür und außerhalb der Tür.
Okay? So this is also why you got to understand very clear about the Chinese terms. Now when this is the door, right? When I walk, when I go out, do I go out?
Er geht aus der Tür raus.
Okay? Okay? Now don't make a mistake. Okay? Now I go in.
Der geht ja rein in die Tür.
Right? So when I say go out, I mean go out like this. So this is the door.
Wenn er meint, er geht raus, dann meint er nach vorne.
That is why we call this the outdoor area and indoor area. Right? Now, so don't make a mistake. Don't go silent. This means go silent.
Das wäre falsch, wenn man zur Seite geht.
Right? So this means go silent. Okay? Okay? Now don't think when I say go out, I mean go out in this way.
Wenn er sagt, er geht raus,
Okay? Now you understand why. Now think about this one. So this one, I just take this one. Now look, you go out. You use the elbow force to push.
Er sagt, er geht raus, dann meint er
You
den
do.
Ellbogen, den
Now,
der nach
so now you
vorne.
understand why this one is like a snake around the tree, and then you push this out. So can you feel the force? Talking is out. Okay. But if I go like this, then he can hit me.
Wenn er zur Seite geht, dann kann er andere treffen.
Right? Same thing. If his elbow is out,
Wenn er
I can hit him.
zur Seite geht, dann kann er andere durch.
Okay.
Immer nach vorne bitte, nicht zur Seite.
So actually, when you do cheese with somebody like this, okay, now this also, now look, go out. Now, which force? Which direction is here?
Dov'è la direzione della sua forza? È lì, nel centro.
Beim Boxer das gleiche Problem, der geht nach vorne, nicht zur Seite. Kein zur Seite.
Push out. Here.
Lui gli chiede
Okay?
di spingere.
And here, that is why this is 90 degrees. And actually the force comes out from here, not from
Die
here.
Kraft kommt vom Ellbogen, nicht mit der Hand nach außen.
Don't lift up. This is wrong.
Den hochheben und nicht zur Seite.
Don't lift up.
E l'energia
Okay?
viene dal gomito,
Now, so-
non alzate verso l'alto.
Now you just, don't go back. Now you just stick to his force. Stick to my force. You stick to my arm. Stick.
Chiede di
Lift up this part. No, not this, not this.
Den
Not
Ellbogen
this.
hochheben, nicht die Hand.
Lift up this. Now just go like this. That's it. Okay? Now hands are again soft. You don't need to use your own force so much. Now
Non devi usare la tua forza così tanto.
stick to me. Stick. Yes, just like that. Okay? Now you know why? Why you don't go out? If you go out, then that means you go silent. Hey, you go out.
Tu va fuori là, non vedi che stanno dalla terra.
There are lots of robberies, lots of cheese. Okay, so I'm blocking the door. I go out, and then some people interrupt me, and he's a big guy, and he comes. I just go. Okay, right? And then some people come from here. I go. But I'm still blocking the door, right? But if some people interrupt you and you chase him after, you go. No. Now, okay. Now look. If you're here and then all of a sudden you come to here and then you run away, I go, hey, and then
Du gehst rein, so.
then he can attack you.
Wenn die Idee ist, die Tür zu blockieren, sollte ihn jemand ablenken zur Seite, könnte der andere hinter die Tür blockieren, das ist nicht der Sinn.
This is why
Se
we
mi
don't.
perdo dietro il lavoro laterale e automaticamente lascio il mio centro.
If you go out,
attaccato.
you go back, you're still broken
Andare
the door.
davanti e andare fuori e
Okay? But if you go silent, you leave
Wenn er zur
you
Seite
leave
geht,
it empty.
macht er die Tür frei und der andere kann rein. Das ist nicht das, was er will.
Understand now?
rimanere sempre nel
So this is the idea. So when you do cheese up, pay attention to this one, just like a moment ago. Stick to it and push now. And stick to me with this elbow, touch. Like this. This is enough. You don't look. Okay, you do not need to go like this. Already. Okay? Okay, understand now?
Avete capito?
Come on, go and do it again.